Hi everyone, this is Aya. Welcome back to my channel. Today Saturday Morning Makes. It's a collaboration done by Jill Norwood. I'm going to link her channel down below. Anyone is welcome to participate. You can make card, art journal, or any DIY crafts. Just follow the hashtag or use the hashtag under your project in any social media you want to post your project. Okay, so let me share with you the cards and the supplies I used to make my cards. I used this die by Jaded Blossom called Stylized Scallop Rectangle dies. Lawn Fawn Grassy Border die. Honey Bee paper piecing. Also I use Puffy Star Stackable by Lawn Fawn. And finally, reverse stitched Scallop Rectangle window die by Lawn Fawn also. Okay, and I used these cute stickers. What's the name of the shop? I don't know what's the name of the shop, but you can pause the video and read her social media. I think she will have a link to her website. Cute girls, really like her drawings, her hairstyle. Okay, also I use color pencil to color my images. So this is my first stamp, this cute bear. Honeycomb with a welcome sign. These 3 flower pots by Whippersnappers Designs. And this cute, it's a really beautiful image. I'm not sure if it has a name. It's by Darcy's, but there's no name. Okay, here is my first card where I used the bear. And I die cut the star out of vellum paper. And here are my bees. So cute. And the sentiments is like ready-made sentiments by Simon Says Stamps. Here is my second card. So I have this big welcome sign with the bees. I color them with the color pencil. And if you are interested to know more about these colors, I'm gonna add, a card in the top right. What else? Yeah, then I fussy cut a card of a gorgeous girl and I just added here. The third card, this one. Yeah, I think most papers I used by American Crafts. I'm still, in the fall theme. It is my fourth card. This is very simple, like the papers and the house. Then I added a frame and a grass border and the girl. Which is so cute. Last but not least, this one. Very, very cute. And for the highlight, I use these markers, or not markers, I'm not sure what you call this. White acrylic marker by Chocola, I think. I'm going to link them in the description box from Amazon. They sent this to me. Yeah, so these are my cards. I hope you like them. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I'll see you next time. Bye.